Hello everyone and welcome to another video. After a long time I found something amazing. It's Bcoin 2084. It's an old game, so now on Web3, so it's been verified by Telegram and it's easy to use. You can connect your wallet here in this section. You can connect your wallet and you can just continue your game and do whatever games need to do. It's amazing. Actually, I was working on other Web3 games. I found this one. It's amazing, and it's actually, you have booster, move back, delete file, delete tile, sorry, move without tile, and you have earn here. So let's see. My amazing one. Okay, killing bonus. Okay, you can join this channels, these Web3 games, and get token. And it's amazing. Actually, it's good for fun and technical words. Okay, buddies. You have support here. You can contact the support. And you have everything you want here, and it's been verified by Telegram. I'm not saying use these games for your earning money. Just use it for hobby. You look at it as a hobby. It's a game. You can download this game from Play Store or App Store for iPhone or for Android, but in here you can play it in Telegram, so this is why it's kind of amazing here. So I'll put the link in the description, and I'm building my studio. It's kind of tough here for making videos. I have less videos, but we're gonna have a great videos. I'm planning to create a great videos on programming and Web3s, everything. I'm building my studio actually to do that. So anyways, I put the link in the description. Just join it and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.